INDO-MIM Aerospace Solutions Group is a vertically integrated manufacturer based in Bangalore, India, that provides precision machining and special process services to marquee customers across the globe. We are a wholly owned division of INDO-MIM Private Limited, a conglomerate and the global leader in metal injection molding technology. Driven by a passion for advanced engineering technologies, the Aerospace Solutions Group was launched in 2011. An aircraft is an engineering marvel that pushes the limits of science and technology. An aircraft is approximately 2 to 3 million high-precision parts interlinked in highly accurate assemblies. Something weighing 9 tons flying at 9,000 meters for thousands of kilometers with 250 lives on board demands highest quality parts in precision manufacturing. This is where we come into picture. The 76,000 square feet production facility includes precision machining, surface treatment and painting technologies with numerous aerospace prime and OEM approvals. These facilities have won prestigious industry approvals including AS 9100 Rev D, NADCAP, ISO 13485, ISO 45001 certifications. Our facilities are modern and comply with the latest standards for safety, efficiency and environmental conservation. Each day starts with our morning huddle that gets everyone aligned with the business priorities. Our team huddle synchronizes the rhythm, energizes us and brings a performance culture in our group. Our engineers design and develop optimal manufacturing processes to meet the complex customer requirements. To arrive at the best and the most economical manufacturing sequence, they use advanced CAD/CAM technologies and simulate the tool path prior to deployment on the CNC machines. All parts are launched during the first article development process with a comprehensive PFMEA, process sheets, tool data sheet, process flow diagrams and quality control plans. The FAI cells have dedicated capacity for new part development activities. Co-location of capabilities allows rapid parallel development and risk mitigation. All the raw materials are sourced from customer-approved mills and distributors in USA and Europe. To mitigate risks from the long lead times in raw material supply chain, approximately 6 months worth of materials are stocked at our factory or at the nearest distributor warehouse. We are adept at cutting materials such as Inconel 718, 625, Hestalloy, Waspalloy, titanium, different grades of stainless steel and aluminium. To achieve very tight tolerances on the precision components, we have a temperature-controlled shop floor which is equipped with sophisticated 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9-axis vertical and horizontal mills, turning centers, turn mills and Swiss machines. The cell-based layout uses collaborative and industrial robots to achieve high productivity and repeatability in the manufacturing process. We are honored to manufacture hardware that is deployed on both narrow-body and wide-body commercial aerospace programs. The newly added state-of-the-art facility, which has been set up using lean tools, is continuously expanding our manufacturing capabilities. The temperature-controlled shop floor is equipped with advanced 5-axis CNC vertical mills and 5-axis mill turns with sub-spindles that enable us to manufacture and develop complex parts and assemblies to our customers. Select shop floor personnel have been trained and approved by our customers for complex deburring process to deliver burr-free part. Most parts are deburred on the CNC machine itself, but deep portholes are inspected and deburred manually using microscope and special tools. Correct cutting tool selection and monitoring tool life is critical to precision and cost-optimal manufacturing. We have deployed automated tool bosses on the shop floor to cut down spindle idle time. At the heart of our one-stop shop is one of the most complete and advanced special process operations in Asia, with over 15 NADCAP approved processes in-house. We provide many flavors of anodizing, plating, painting and NDT services. We also have a full-fledged laboratory to certify the processes in-house. We are recognized by our customers for the advanced chemistry services we deliver and are awarded with the prestigious LCS approval by an engine OEM. Our special process shop processes and delivers parts for many third-party machine shops in India, Southeast Asia and Europe. The parts we process in our special process plant include landing gear pistons and cylinders for Airbus A350, A330, 340, A320neo, A380 and Boeing 777X and 787 programs. At the core of our operating system is our AS 9100 REV-D compliant quality management system that drives all the business processes in the Aerospace Solutions Group. Our best practice business workflows and traceability are enabled by state-of-the-art ERP and MRP systems. Our team of quality engineers are trained in a variety of inspection methods and are supported by world-class equipment to ensure perfect parts are delivered to customers on time. We hire and train engineers in QC tools, continuous improvement concepts and run Kaizen events regularly to eliminate waste through all steps of manufacturing. Our key quality personnel are approved by our customers and function as their designated quality representative in clearing the manufactured parts and assemblies for dispatch. Best practices implemented in tracking daily progress and the line of balance ensures that we honor customer commitments and are on time always. Many product lines in our factory are recognized by our customers as Centers of Excellence or COE. To ensure there is no line down situation at our customer shops, we carry 4 to 8 weeks of finished goods stock. One owner of the part increases accountability. Projects are managed by experienced project managers who use digital tools to update their customers regularly. We have enabled a smart and connected factory through IoT 4.0. All machine utilization metrics, including overall equipment effectiveness, productivity and details of downtimes, are monitored and tracked to improve efficiency in operations. At the core of a successful business is happy employees. We enjoy our work and challenge each other in providing the best quality products and solutions to our customers. Teamwork, excellence in everything we do, and respect for each other is our success mantra. The future of Indian aerospace will be built by our people. People dedicated to quality and world-class manufacturing. We want your company to be a part of our story.